What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the greatest rideshare YouTube channel in the world. I just got back from the gym, so my glasses were kind of fogging up. But yeah, what's up, everyone? My name's Dylan. If you've been watching this channel for a little bit, you know that I love to make updates on Uber and Lyft news. And today I'm a little bit late on this one, but I did want to just check in and share my thoughts. Uber Pro. So Uber basically launched this program, I think it was like last November or something, in a couple of test markets. It's called Uber Pro, and from, based on my opinion, I thought it was a way for Uber to kind of incentivize their drivers to stick to them rather than doing both Uber and Lyft in preparation for the Uber IPO. And just this past Wednesday or Thursday, they wow, I am like sweating right now. They rolled it out to like 20 new cities. So 30 total cities is Uber Pro's in. But when they did that, sorry, I'm just setting this down. When they did that, they just casual room tour here. If you guys didn't want that, now you know what my room looks like. They basically cut the rates for platinum and diamond reward. So yeah, as I'm reading this article, well, it's more like a forum. I don't know if you follow this, uberpro.net. Pretty cool. But yeah, basically this is what it launched in November, I believe, or whenever it launched the beta version. And it says, on May 1st, you'll be part of Uber Pro, a new rewards program for drivers. This is where, so yeah, it says, as a result, Uber Pro may change. So basically, Uber Pro is a way for Uber to incentivize their drivers to stick with them rather than Lyft, because, Uber wants to win the market share, whatever. They want to, they want to be the winner. So they made Uber Pro to incentivize their drivers to hit those, those weekly bonuses, and even it's like tri-monthly bonuses. So every 3 months, the more points you have, the more rewards you get. However, yeah, basically I just wanted to make this video super quickly because, yeah, let me bring it up really quick. So on May 1st, Uber Pro Platinum reward of extra 3% extra on time and distance, and the Diamond reward of 6% will no longer be available. That, yeah, it's not the hugest cut in the world, but yeah, the 3% extra on time and distance, that stuff adds up. When you're doing 20 rides a day and you're making $100, well, maybe not 100, say you're making $200 a day, that's $6 a day extra that you would have been making per week. So that's like, say you're driving 5 days a week, or even 6 days a week, 6 times 36, no, 6 times $6. Obviously it's 36, that's multiple basic times tables, but 36 times 52 is, see if it can focus on the calculator, $1,872 per year that you will no longer be getting if you're making $200 a day 6 days a week. That's what, $1,200 a week? Some of you guys make up to $2,000, so it could be a couple thousand, maybe $1,000 to $3,000 at the most. I only drive part-time, so I won't really notice this effect too much, but for those of you who are driving full-time, this is, it's kind of interesting, because I guess the way Uber sees it is that it's easy to take a little bit of percentage off from, a ton of people. And it's Uber Pro, it's a test, it's a beta. So like they said, this isn't everywhere. It's only in 30 cities, and they're probably gonna be changing around the incentives. I really think it's more of a PR thing. It gives Uber a great image to the public, to their investors, people who, the people who are investors are not drivers. So just the fact that they have this thing called Uber Pro that can show investors, oh, they're doing this thing for the drivers, you know, that Lyft doesn't have, you know, might as well invest in Uber rather than Lyft. And the biggest thing about Uber Pro is the partnership with ASU. It's not the extra, you know, 3% for Platinum and Diamond reward members. It's the thing, guys, like, you might think this is a joke, but no, if you need to get a bachelor's degree, or not even for yourself, but if you have a family member, a spouse, a child, even a parent who wants to get a bachelor's degree, you can do so by driving for Uber. Uber will pay for the entire tuition of a bachelor's degree for you or for your family member. So as long as you, I believe, stay in the platinum or premium, whatever the highest tiers. Maybe I made a video on that already, so you can check that out too if you want. But yeah, like, it's legit. They'll pay for it all. And Starbucks also has this same thing. If you work for Starbucks for 12 hours a week at least, minimum, they're paying for your entire education, and it's online, so you don't even have to go there. That's pretty nuts. That's pretty insane. I mean, there's ways to get free bachelor's degrees, free education. One is working at Starbucks. Two is working for Uber. One of those ways you can get a free bachelor's degree, so you have zero excuses. Even if you want to just take some extra entrepreneurship classes or software engineering classes, whatever it might be, there's no excuses if you want to get a bachelor's degree. You guys know I've been working super hard to get my bachelor's degree. So, I'm not planning on driving rideshare forever. I hope to one day, it's like a stepping stone, means to an end. I probably will drive part-time for really as long as it exists, just because I think it's so fun. Nothing beats driving rideshare on a Friday, Saturday night. It's like nothing else. But regardless, this is the update for you guys. Uber cuts rates for Pro and Diamond drivers. So it's now in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and a bunch of other markets, 30 cities total. So let me know, what do you guys think? Is this affecting you? Are you a Diamond or a Platinum member? What do you think about Uber Pro? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Yeah, sorry I'm not wearing the merch today, because I need to get some more merch tank tops so I can rep the merch at the gym. Yeah, let me know where you guys from, where you guys driving. And just really quickly want to say thank you to all of you who have been sending me your support. I'm going to be making a video, probably like a thank you video, just because a lot of you guys have reached out to me and I really do appreciate it. Dustin, Rideshare driver Dustin, told me, or Dustin is driving now, sorry. He told me, don't film so late at night, you get too emotional at night. Well, it's only, can you see that? You see that? It's only 10:45, okay, p.m. Is that too late? That's not too late to film. I filmed a video at 4 a.m. the other day. I was like, yeah, so anyways. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I should stop rambling. I hope you guys are having a great, fantastic morning or day or afternoon whenever you're watching this video. You guys are the best. This is the best rideshare channel on the internet. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a daily video that we upload on Uber and Lyft. We teach you how to be the best rideshare driver, how to be a rich rideshare driver. Yes, that's possible. You can make $100,000 a year. I'm gonna make a video on that soon. There's ways, guys. I have secrets. I have tricks up my sleeve, okay? Well, I don't have up this sleeve, but up my, never mind. I have ways, and stay tuned for that. You guys are the best. I will talk to you all soon. All right, bye guys.